Ever locked out of your Samsung device because you forgot your account password? We've all been there, but don't panic, because regaining access and securing your data is simpler than you think. If you've forgotten your Samsung account password and can't proceed, several alternative methods can help you unlink your account, giving you back full control of your phone. First, let's explore the primary method using your linked email address or phone number for password recovery. Navigate to your phone's settings. Tap on Accounts and Backup, then select Manage Accounts. Here, you'll see your Samsung account listed. Tap on it. You should see an option to Forgot Password. Tap this to initiate the recovery process. This will usually take you to a Samsung website where you can enter the email address or phone number associated with your Samsung account. You'll then receive an email with a link to reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new, memorable password. Once you've successfully reset your password, you can use it to log in and manage your Samsung account, or even unlink it if you choose. For more complex situations, especially if you no longer have access to the recovery email or phone number, Samsung offers alternative support channels. Visit the official Samsung support website, look for sections related to account help or forgotten passwords, and you'll find options to contact customer support. They may guide you through identity verification steps to help you regain access. This process prioritizes the security of your account and personal data. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Samsung account and ensure your privacy and security, even when facing forgotten passwords.